Welcome to Wellness Health Services Health Talks. I'm Dr. Joshua Detox, a family physician. I have interest in public health and cancer prevention and treatment. Have you ever wondered, as a parent, what is the right age to introduce your child to a phone? Or even as a teenager, are you feeling like you are spending too much time on your electronics? In this talk, we are going to look at the impact of social media on our mental health, and we are going to have a balanced perspective of the effect of online connectivity on our health. So let's look at some statistics. Over 4.9 billion people are using social media annually. This is as per the year 2024. The question that we need to ask yourself, you as a person, how much hours are you spending on social media daily? And how is this affecting your health? How is it affecting your performance? On average, daily, people spend 2.5 hours on social media. That is according to the 2024 statistics. 95% of the teens own a smartphone, and 89% of them, they have a connection to one of the social media platforms. And the 30% of the people spend 5 minutes on social media immediately they wake up. So you can see what is happening to our society. So this electronic era is like a double-edged sword. Why is it so? Let's look at some of the negative impact of spending too much time on the internet connectivity. One, it has been shown that sometimes this can lead to anxiety, depression, and also loneliness. Then there is the fear of missing out, especially among the young people. You feel like when you are not in the social media, then you are not like one among equals of your colleagues. Then we have had cyberbullying, and 1 in 3 teenagers are bullied online, and this is causing anxiety, is causing stress, and is also causing depression, and subsequently there is an increase in the rate of suicide rates. So then what are some of the positive impact of social media? There is a connection during isolation. You can talk to your colleagues when there is a loss of accessibility, or when you are not able to physically meet them. There is also room for self-expression and also activism, putting forward your ideas and your dissent, and we have seen it where young people have gathered together and they aired their voice and they come together refusing negative laws that they feel like are being implemented, especially in our country. Then there is also access to support groups. These days, if someone has challenges, then you just need to start a WhatsApp group. You get people together and they come and they can assist, and this has helped people to help each other and they be able to come up with solutions to some of the social issues and social problems. So it helps staying connected with loved ones. You can also share your achievements and also being part of a community. You see, like if someone has graduated, someone has had a newborn, when you have social media connectivity, then there is easy connectivity and easy sharing of the knowledge, of the information. Then social media can also be a forum for learning new things and also new skills. For example, what now I'm doing, trying to talk about the impact of social media. Someone will be able to access this video, then has an opportunity to have some food for thought on what we are doing with ourselves. Then it also has the impact of networking and also career opportunities. There you can see job advertisements, You can see also courses. There are some courses that are being offered online. So those are some of the good benefits of internet connectivity. Then what are some of the challenges that you face with this social media connectivity? One, sometimes sleep disturbances due to late night scrolling. So you find that some people will stay late in the night engaging on the social media forums, and this can lead to sleep deprivation. And also it also makes one lose connectivity, especially if you are someone with a partner and then you're on social media, then the person who is physically there is not there with you. Then there is the issue of unrealistic comparisons. Many of the young people, they want to be like their friends, and some of the things that we see on social media, not all of them are 100% the truth. So some people might feel left out, and this can lead also to low self-esteem. There is an increase in mental issues. I've said social media can lead to anxiety, can lead to waste of time, can lead to poor concentration, poor performance in school, and can lead also to depression, and also can lead to suicide issues. Then there's the dopamine addiction. This social media use, if you overuse it, sometimes can fall in the same group as cigarette smoking, alcohol, drugs of abuse, and this has negative impact on our mental health. So how do we find a balance among all these things? One, it is important that you set up time limits on how much time you are using on the internet and also on social media. Sometimes it's important to disable notifications so that you don't keep to responding to messages, emails, so that every time a new message comes, you are there on the phone scrolling, you are looking who has messaged you, who has posted what. Yeah, so this can lead to distractions. Then creating tech-free zones. Like if you are a family, you can say that during meal times, this is phone-free time, electronic-free time, or even before bed, or even in the bedroom, and completely keep out electronics from the bedroom. Also, following up positive accounts, those that are encouraging, those that have educative information, and follow toxic one. We have seen this is happening a lot in our society. Now people are using abusive languages, people are demeaning others, and this is creating a lot of anxiety. Of course, there is freedom of speech, but then we also have to be responsible and be mindful of the welfare of others, because this is how also cyberbullying comes in. Young people bullying others, and some of the people who are doing the cyberbullying, they are not actually young people. There could be some adults who are engaging in bullying, and they also engaging young people in internet sexual activities, which is very uncouth. Then it is important that you practice mindfulness, and also engage in offline relationships. Have time for the people whom you are with, your family members. You can enjoy games, you can enjoy exercises, and even just sharing, normal sharing of what is happening to you on a daily basis. This helps create connectivity, it reduces stress, and also it has a feel-good impact on one. So take control of your mental health. I think it is good we reflect. How does the social media use affect your mood, affect your use of time, and affect your capacity to work? And if you're also a student, how is it affecting your studies? How is it affecting your relationship with the people around you? Are you feeling overwhelmed by being engaged on social media? And then track your use of social media. And if you are feeling overwhelmed, or if you are feeling anxious and feeling overcome, then it is important to seek support from friends, family, or even professionals. So how do you strike a balance? As I've said, social media is a tool. It is how we use it that matters. So we can use it for good, you can use it to destroy ourselves. When we use it for education, when we use it to pass positive information for others, when we use it to encourage others, when we use it to sort out some social issues, then it becomes a very helpful tool. I remember there is a time that we use the social media to call up support for people in one of our districts, the Turkana district, who had a famine, and we came together as the people of Kenya and they massively contributed in support of this. And this is a way that we can use social media for the benefit of others. Then balance is key to leveraging the benefits and minimizing harm. So having a balance of everything. Anything that you do in excess, then it becomes an issue. Then let's promote healthier relationship within our technologies. So I encourage you that you share the questions that you may have. Also give me feedback so that we also learn together. And especially for parents, I would want us to engage on what would be the appropriate time to give a phone to your young child. We know that there are age limits on when you should start using alcohol, age limits on when you can start to smoke, age limits on when you can start driving. But we know that the electronics are also becoming a very dangerous tool, and it's like giving a car to your child without having to go to driving school. Do we take time to educate our children? Do we take time to engage with our children? What are the experiences? What are the difficulties? And do we also take time to teach them on issues like cyberbullying, harmful use of electronic, and exposure to unworthy information from the electronics? So thank you very much for your time. Remember to subscribe to the Overall Health, and also share your experiences on the use of the social media and electronics, and especially that question, at what age should we give smartphones to our children? Thank you for watching.